Get started. Happy. Happy. We definitely get bored to use this word again and again, which is get bored. It makes the same word, the same thing, makes us feel sleepy, makes us feel bored. So that's why today I brought some different and interesting words for all of you. That means elated and euphoric. What does it mean? Elated and euphoric. Like Alice was euphoric to see his family after spending 2 years studying in New York. That means he was quite happy to see his family after spending 2 years studying in New York. The next is bad. What the next is bad? That means second class or god awful. It was second class theatre that we watched the film in. Or it was a god awful pizza. I will not buy it from that place anymore. I will not buy it. I will not buy it from that place anymore. It was a god awful pizza. That means it was a bad pizza. Small. Small means itsy bitsy or compact. She has these itsy bitsy little hands and feet. That means she has small feet. What a compact office. How did it fit so much into this space? Smart. Smart means quick. Quick-witted. Quick-witted or brainy. That means he's lively. He's lively and quick-witted, despite his age. Sarah was not just beautiful, but quite brainy too. Laughed. Laughed means doubled up or cracked up. That means he started to double up with laughter when Harry talked about Professor O'Malley. Or I can't stop cracking when I see him in ridiculous look. Funny. It means wacky and hysterical. The film that I watched last night was quite wacky. After, that means cowed or panicky. The teacher cowed the pupils with his hard eyes. Or I started to feel panicky and breathless when I saw a witch beside me. Witch, W-I-T-C-H, witch beside me. So that's all for today. Thank you. Keep learning. Happy learning.